In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your notes public on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up a web browser and then go to chess.com. Make sure you're assigned into your account, and then first of all let me show you how we can easily create a note. To create a note, we need to click at our username, then select notes, and that's where we can in that simple way post a note. However, by default all notes are hidden and they are private, they are visible just for you. So now guys, let me show you how we can easily make our notes visible to anyone who visits our chess.com profile page. All we have to do in order to make our notes public is go to settings, then privacy, and then just search for may post or view my notes. By default, as I said before, it is set to nobody. However, we can switch it to all members or only my friends. Once you have selected any option to save the changes, don't forget to click at save. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.